thousands of years, people have seen the aloe vera plant as a symbol of healing and making things better. Inside its prickly leaves is a jelly-like substance that's really good for you. From way back in ancient times to today's science labs, aloe vera has been known for its amazing ability to help heal. In this detailed look, we'll discover why aloe vera gel is so good at healing and explore all the different ways it can help keep us healthy and well. 1. Historical background. The history of aloe vera as a medicinal plant is as rich and storied as human civilization itself. Ancient cultures across Egypt, Greece, China, and beyond have documented its use in treating wounds, soothing burns, and addressing various skin ailments. The Ebers Papyrus, an ancient Egyptian medical text dating back to 1550 BC, contains references to aloe vera's therapeutic applications. Similarly, the Greek physician Dioscorides praised its medicinal virtues in his renowned work, De Materia Medica. The historical tapestry of aloe vera speaks to its enduring reputation as a healing botanical, International Journal of Research in Pharmacy and Chemistry. 2. Rich nutritional profile. At the heart of aloe vera's healing prowess lies its nutrient-rich composition. Aloe vera gel is replete with vitamins, minerals, enzymes, amino acids, and antioxidants, making it a powerhouse of natural goodness. Vitamin A promotes skin health and repair, while vitamin C boosts immunity and collagen synthesis. Vitamin E acts as a potent antioxidant, protecting cells from oxidative damage. Essential minerals like calcium, magnesium, and zinc support overall well-being, while enzymes aid in digestion and detoxification. Together, these nutritional elements synergize to enhance the therapeutic effects of aloe vera gel. Journal of Traditional and Complementary Medicine. 3. Anti-inflammatory effects. Aloe vera gel contains potent anti-inflammatory compounds, such as bradykinase, salicylic acid, and auxins, which can help reduce inflammation throughout the body. Chronic inflammation is linked to various health conditions, including arthritis, cardiovascular disease, and autoimmune disorders. Research suggests that regular consumption or topical application of aloe vera gel may help alleviate inflammation and associated symptoms. Studies have shown that aloe vera gel can inhibit the production of pro-inflammatory cytokines and enzymes, thereby dampening the inflammatory response. This can lead to reduced pain, swelling, and stiffness in conditions like rheumatoid arthritis and osteoarthritis. A study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology demonstrated the anti-inflammatory effects of aloe vera gel in reducing arthritis symptoms in animal models. Overall, the anti-inflammatory effects of aloe vera gel make it a valuable natural remedy for managing chronic inflammatory conditions and promoting overall health and well-being. However, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before using aloe vera gel, especially if you have existing medical conditions or are taking medications, to ensure its safe and appropriate use. 4. Skin healing properties. Aloe vera's reputation as a skin savior is well-founded in scientific research. Its anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and wound-healing properties make it a go-to remedy for various dermatological concerns. Studies have demonstrated that aloe vera gel accelerates wound healing by promoting fibroblast proliferation and collagen synthesis. Its moisturizing effect helps restore skin hydration and elasticity, making it effective in treating burns, cuts, abrasions, eczema, and psoriasis. Journal of Dermatological Treatment. 5. Sunburn relief. The soothing sensation of aloe vera gel on sun-kissed skin is a testament to its sunburn-relieving properties. Its cooling effect provides immediate relief from the discomfort of sunburn, while its anti-inflammatory action helps reduce redness and inflammation. Research suggests that aloe vera gel may also aid in repairing sun-damaged skin cells, thereby mitigating long-term effects such as premature aging and skin cancer. Phytotherapy research. 6. Hair and scalp benefits. Beyond its skincare applications, aloe vera gel offers a plethora of benefits for hair and scalp health. Its enzymes help break down dead skin cells on the scalp, reducing dandruff and itching. Aloe vera's pH balancing properties help maintain the scalp's natural acidity, creating an optimal environment for healthy hair growth. Regular use of aloe vera gel as a hair mask or conditioner can leave hair soft, shiny, and more manageable, while also soothing scalp irritation. Journal of Chemical and Pharmaceutical Research. 7. Digestive aid. Aloe vera's healing touch extends beyond external applications to internal health and digestion. Consuming aloe vera juice or supplements can soothe gastrointestinal discomfort, alleviate symptoms of conditions like acid reflux, irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and promote overall digestive wellness. Aloe vera contains polysaccharides and other bioactive compounds that support gut health by reducing inflammation, enhancing nutrient absorption, and fostering a healthy balance of gut bacteria. Journal of Nutritional Science and Vitaminology. 8. Immune system support. Aloe vera gel contains polysaccharides and antioxidants that can help boost the immune system. Studies suggest that regular consumption of aloe vera juice or supplements may enhance the body's ability to fight off infections and illnesses by stimulating the production of white blood cells and promoting overall immune function. Journal of Immunology Research. 9. Oral health benefits. The antimicrobial properties of aloe vera make it a valuable ingredient in oral care products. Aloe vera gel can help combat plaque buildup, reduce gum inflammation, and alleviate symptoms of conditions like gingivitis and periodontitis. Additionally, its soothing properties can provide relief from oral discomfort caused by mouth ulcers or cold sores. Journal of Indian Society of Periodontology. 10. Diabetes management. Preliminary research suggests that aloe vera may offer potential benefits for individuals with diabetes. Some studies indicate that aloe vera gel may help lower blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. However, more research is needed to fully understand the mechanisms involved and to determine the optimal dosage and application for diabetes management. Journal of Clinical Pharmacy and Therapeutics. 11. Anti-cancer properties. Emerging evidence suggests that certain compounds found in aloe vera may possess anti-cancer properties. Laboratory studies have demonstrated that aloe vera extracts can inhibit the growth of cancer cells and induce apoptosis, cell death, in various types of cancer, including skin, breast, and colon cancer. While more research is needed to validate these findings and explore their potential clinical applications, the anti-cancer potential of aloe vera is a promising area of investigation. International Journal of Molecular Sciences. 12. Weight management. Some studies suggest that aloe vera gel may aid in weight management and promote healthy metabolism. Aloe vera contains compounds that have been shown to improve lipid metabolism and reduce fat accumulation in animal studies. Additionally, its mild laxative effect may support detoxification and regular bowel movements, which are essential for maintaining a healthy weight. Journal of Dietary Supplements. The healing abilities of aloe vera gel are both vast and impactful. From traditional remedies handed down over generations to modern scientific investigations, aloe vera remains a source of fascination and promise for overall health and wellness. Whether used on the skin or ingested, the advantages of aloe vera gel are indisputable. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of this remarkable plant, its reputation as a natural remedy will undoubtedly persist for many generations to come. The remarkable healing powers of aloe vera gel are truly extraordinary. From soothing sunburns to supporting skin and digestive health, this natural wonder offers a myriad of benefits for our overall well-being. If you found this video informative and insightful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below to stay updated on more fascinating content. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed learning about the secrets of aloe vera, and be sure to leave a comment sharing your own experiences or questions. Your support means the world to us, and by subscribing, you'll never miss out on more insightful content like this. Thanks a bunch for tuning in, and until next time, stay healthy and embrace the incredible power of nature's remedies.